everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to guide you through the process to use the secret chats on a Telegram application. So if you're looking out and wondering how to do so, these are probably the method you can follow up and you should be able to do it easily. So let's just get started. Open up the Telegram application. For that, you can launch the Telegram app on your mobile device, and secret chats are only mobile applications available, so you can just go over and use the mobile application for that. Once you do so, you can find the regular chat with whom you are chatting currently. You can head over to the chat, and once you are headed over to the regular chat with the person that you want to secretly chat with, you can just go over and tap on their profile name at the top of the screen and open up the profile. And then once you do so, you can select the option of the three dot in the top right corner, the more option, and tap on it. Now once you select that option right there from the given menu, you just need to select the option of select start secret chat and confirm it in the pop-up, so tap on it. After that, you can confirm it up. Just go and confirm it up by tapping on the start option, and it should automatically pop up a new window with a padlock icon indicating that it is encrypted and server free, and it should confirm it up. You can just go over and look out for the stopwatch icon or something like that, and the timer starts once the recipients open the message media. You can just go over and type in a message for that, and it will be deleted after a certain second. You cannot forward messages from a secret chat. Telegram notifies you if the other user tries to take a screenshot, and you can swipe from the secret chat from right to left in your chat list and select the delete option to remove it immediately from your device as well. And that's it, everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow to use secret chats on your Telegram pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.